Hydrogen, often considered the first element on the periodic table, occupies a unique position. While it's traditionally placed at the top of Group 1, alkali metals, it doesn't share all the properties of these metals. Its distinct characteristics have led some to suggest that it should have its own separate category. Hydrogen has a single electron in its outermost shell, similar to alkali metals. This configuration allows it to form ionic compounds by losing its electron. Hydrogen is highly reactive and forms compounds with most elements, especially nonmetals. It's a diatomic gas, meaning it exists as molecules of H. Hydrogen can exhibit both positive, +1, and negative, -1, oxidation states. This versatility is unusual for an element. Hydrogen has 3 isotopes: protium, most common, deuterium, and tritium. These isotopes have different numbers of neutrons in their nuclei, leading to variations in their properties. Hydrogen has a relatively high ionization energy compared to alkali metals. This suggests that it requires more energy to remove its electron. Hydrogen is moderately electronegative, meaning it has a tendency to attract electrons towards itself in chemical bonds. While hydrogen doesn't perfectly fit into either group, it shares some characteristics with both alkali metals and halogens. Hydrogen forms ionic compounds with nonmetals, similar to alkali metals. Hydrogen can gain an electron to achieve a stable electron configuration, resembling halogens. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe by mass, primarily found in stars and interstellar space. It's a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas at standard temperature and pressure. Hydrogen is highly flammable and can form explosive mixtures with air. Hydrogen is a key component of rocket fuel, providing high-energy propulsion. Hydrogen is used in various industrial processes, such as ammonia production and petroleum refining. As we explore the future of energy, hydrogen emerges as a promising and versatile element. Its abundance, clean combustion, and potential for diverse applications make it a crucial player in the transition to a sustainable energy landscape. With ongoing research and technological advancements, hydrogen's role in shaping our energy future is poised to grow even more significant. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more such videos.